let's turn the lights on. And there it is. This is the low beam, and let's do the high beam now. Low beam again, and high beam. Looks great. Hi guys, today we're going to install the headlight LED bulbs from Nilight in our Scion TC. The size is 9012. I'll show you what comes inside the box. We've got the manual, and here we have our bulbs. They're quite compact and will fit perfectly in our car. The color is 6000 Kelvin. They should be 350% brighter than the original halogen bulbs and should last up to 50,000 hours. In the back we've got the fan, the heatsink. These are the tabs that match our original bulbs, and as you can see we have 3 LED chips on each side of the LEDs. We've got 2 bulbs, and interestingly enough we have the gloves in the set as well. This way you won't accidentally touch LED elements on the bulbs, which is a nice idea. Right now I will show you how to install these bulbs in the vehicle. We will start with the driver's side. This is our headlight bulb right here, so all I have to do is turn it counterclockwise and pull, and then the bulb will come out. And then I will push this here, and this will allow me to pull out the original bulb. I'll quickly show you guys how they compare to each other in terms of size. As you can see, they're actually quite similar in size, again, which is good because it means they will fit properly. So now I will install this bulb in the same way. Simply push it inside, align the tabs, and then turn clockwise. After that, the connector will go in here, push it in, and that's it. This side is done. Our new LED is now on. 6000 Kelvin cool white color, and this is yellow original bulb. This is the difference again. New LED on the right and the original bulb on the left. Now we will do the passenger side. I will disconnect the washer fluid reservoir. This will provide us a little bit more space, and the bulb is right here. Again, turn it counterclockwise first, remove the original bulb, and disconnect it by pressing here. Press and pull at the same time. Again, this is our OEM bulb, and I'll show you guys the tabs as well. Again, as I said, they do match each other perfectly. So now the new one goes in. You have to again align it and turn clockwise. Now I will connect the connector. Make sure that this thing goes on top, and that's it. Both bulbs are now on. I'll show you how the light looks like on the wall with new LEDs. This is our light pattern, and as you can see, it is properly cut off on the top, which means you won't blind the drivers. And right now we'll show you how it looks like at night. Alright, here we go, and look at that. Look how bright our new LEDs are. I will turn it off again and turn it on again. Looks great. And I will turn on the high beam now. This is how this one looks. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. We'll show you again. Let's turn the lights on, and there it is. This is the low beam, And let's do the high beam now. Low beam again, and high beam. Looks great. High beam, low beam. High beam, low beam. Beautiful. Our installation is complete. Thank you guys for watching. Again, these are the bulbs from Nilight. In case if you're interested, I will leave you a link in the description. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video.